Okay, here we go. Let's learn Raised Like That. Great song and really fun dance. But I would love to do a shout out to my teachers in Texas who taught me to love line dancing. So when we moved back to California, I found line dancing again after being in Texas for 4 years. So shout out to Pam and Kevin and Linda and Dorothy. So it starts with a Dorothy step with a lock. So it's step, lock, and heel, and heel. One more time. Step, behind, and heel, and step, behind, and half turn, right pivot over our left shoulder. Then we do a quarter stomp, behind and cross, rock, recover, behind, side, touch, and then another one, and touch. Now we're going to go 3/4 over our left shoulder. We're going to end up facing that way, but we're going to go the long way, right? So step, quarter, step, half, and a left coaster step, step right, left, triple step, rock, recover, right, coaster, step, left, half pivot, left, half pivot, and snap. That's an and snap. Okay, let's try that. Let's review those steps again. Starts with the right foot, doing a Dorothy, lock step, heel switches. So right, behind, and heel, and Dorothy with the left, behind, and half turn, quarter stomp, behind, and cross, right, behind, and touch, step, step, left, coaster, step, right, left, triple step, right, rock, recover, right, coaster, step, left, pivot over the right, half, and snap. So it starts with the right foot and a Dorothy or a wizard with a lock and 2 heel switches, and then a left one. Okay, so to the right, behind, left heel, and left, right behind, and half turn, quarter stomp, behind and cross in front, left, rock right, step left, behind and right touches, then the left one touches, then we turn a quarter and a half over our left shoulder, left coaster step, step right, now a left again, left shuffle or triple step, right rock, recover, right coaster step, left half pivot, left, and snap. So the first one, the second one's faster. You want to end like that. Okay, one more time with the feet. 5, reviewing the steps with the words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left behind, left heel, and left, right behind, and half turn. Quarter stomp, behind, left, cross, left, rock right, left, behind, touch, right, touch, left, quarter, half, left coaster step, right step, triple step, left, rock, recover, right coaster step, left, half pivot, and snap. Okay, with counts. Raise like that, steps, 32 steps, 2 walls. So you're either facing the 12 o'clock or the 6 o'clock. There is 1 restart on wall 8, which is your 6 o'clock wall, after 24 counts. That's it, 1 restart. Okay, with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From the top, 5, 6, 7, a little faster. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And variation. Some people on the last counts do 2 or 3 turns and really fancy snaps. So your choice. The choreographer, Darren Bailey, said, have fun with the last 4 counts. And my secret for this dance, I call, raise like that, the behind dance. So I'll show you. So we step and then we go behind, right? Then we step, we go behind. Then we go behind. We go behind again. We go behind. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.